Good afternoon, my name is Ollie from Anchor, and today I'll be showing you around this 2021 Ford Ranger Wildtrak Edition. This one in particular has 37,000 miles and is a bi-turbo, which is giving out a whopping 209 brake horsepower as well. This is of course in a lovely white, and I will now just show you inside. So on the inside we have, continuing with the Wildtrak branding and theming along with the up on the leather seats. And if I just take you into the back as well, this is then continued. We have pulled down armrest and cup holders. And if we look down here, not only do we have a 12 volt, we do also have 3-pin as well. The bed in the back of this crew cab pickup truck is indeed very generous. I'll show you now. To be absolutely perfect for hauling anything you may be wanting to carry. And now I'll just hop into the driver's seat to show you a couple of the driver's conveniences. Well, let me just shut the door to stop the beeping. There we go. So, inside, first of all, we've got cruise control, hands-free voice assist calling, that obviously then also supports Bluetooth. We'll go through, we've got access to digital audio broadcasting, can control the climate control inside the car here, navigation, and this also does work with Apple CarPlay as well. Now, if I just bring your attention further down, we do have a button here to switch between 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and also low range as well. And last but not least, if I just pop through into reverse gear, we do have a reversing camera as well.